Guys, what's going on? Market conditions are absolutely urgent right now. What happened to all these fucking guys at 45, 4,600 that were so eager to be bulls? Where the fuck are they now? We're closer in the 4,300 level. Well, they're fucking done. And if we break the 4,300, holy shit. Okay, they're going to be really fucked, which means an insane opportunity for us here at 13 Market Moves, the short sellers of the world. Now, here's the crazy part I'm going to announce in this video. Make sure you guys stay till the end of this video, because if you ever wanted your account to get funded, we have never ever done this here at 13 Market Moves, okay? But if you stay through the rest of this audio message, this podcast, guys, I'm going to reveal to you how you can get your account funded. That's right. We're going to give you free fucking money here at 13 Market Moves to come and trade, because the probability of beating this market right now, it is so freaking insane. The probability of you making, taking something from absolutely nothing to 100K, 200K, 1 million plus is so fucking ridiculous right now. I don't want anyone to miss it. So between me and my traders here at 13 Market Moves, we got together and we said, hey, why don't we create this fund for the guys that have actually studied the 13 Market Moves, that taken the charts course, for the guys that, okay, have paid their dues, for the guys that are trying to embrace the short selling strategy, okay, we tried to share here with the rest of the world here at 13 Market Moves. Okay, for some of those guys, okay, you got a chance to get literally a wire into your trading account from 13 Market Moves. Damn right, you heard it right. Okay, so pay close attention. Okay, more than anything, guys. I mean, I know some of you are just gonna try to skip the main message. You're gonna go to the very end of the video. I'm gonna tell you right now. Okay, you're gonna have to talk to a 13 Market Moves coach, and in order to qualify for this program. And what you need to do is you need to schedule a 20-minute call with a 13 Market Moves coach here to get all the details of how this program actually works. So the main message here today, guys, is the market is absolutely fucked. I'm recording this at the end of September, and someone has messaged me earlier this morning. They're like, Leo, this market is just, okay, cannot drop any lower. I mean, these type of messages I get when I know for a fact the market is just about to fall the fuck out. The market is about to collapse. All of our short positions, they're about to produce phenomenal gains. And they have been getting a lot of traction, guys, in the last couple of weeks, okay? I mean, you have stocks like AVGO, okay, that we've shorted closer to 900, that now is in the 700 handle, okay, briefly down to 760, okay? And just, we had a ton of guys with a position that came in short in AVGO Monday when it was like 850. Just to find out Wednesday, the stuff is down to like 760 per market. And the shit bounces, right? But wow, what a stupid bounce, okay? Jim Cramer, was trying to save some fucking hedge funds. Oh no, that shit is not true. Oh, the semiconductor stocks, they're still a buy. You got fucking analysts coming out of there saying, oh, AVGO, $1,000 strike price. I mean, it's not strike price, $1,000 target price, they like to call it, okay? Guys, all them fuckers are wrong. Semiconductor stocks, as I pointed out in multiple videos over the last couple of months, okay, it's a top, and now we've had a head and shoulder formation. This shit is about to fall the fuck out way lower. While most of the people think that institutions are actually buying the dip, the reality is they are buying AVGO short. And the reason I'm taking time to talk about AVGO is because it has been the darling this year for institutional investors. They've been buying the fuck out of it. And guess what is about to happen? They all unanimously are about to short the fuck out of it. And that's why the stock even bounced, okay? I mean, Kramer ain't going to tell you. The fucker was probably shorting the shit out of his personal account while he's trying to hype up the shit on CNBC. Look, the guy's not an idiot, okay, but he's got to do what the conventional wisdom of his show's got to do. But 90%, okay, you can see it on the way the market acted so funny on Friday. It would pump, in the middle, it would dump, it would pump and dump, and it continued throughout the whole trading session. When the market gets jittery like this, okay, it tells you at the same time, there's a number of people that are idiots that are still buying the dip. There's a great number of people among institutional investors. So we're talking about the big money here that ultimately determines which direction the market is going to go. They have been shorting this shit out of these stocks. And so stocks like AVGO have set the top in the last couple of months. We have pointed it out. ASML, okay, LRCX, AMD, all these stocks have one fucking thing in common is everyone in Wall Street has been bullish of this crap, thinking that, how can we go from zero interest rates to 6%? And no, everything is wonderful. Fuck you. Those idiots, okay, they're trying to catch the last fucking possible bounce higher, and they know the show is over. Guys, the show is over for the bulls. And yet, 90% of the analysts, they're going to still say, well, guess what? We're going to have a Santa Claus rally. Santa Claus rally my ass. What's about to take place, the market is trading close to 4,400 as I'm recording this, and we're probably going to see the market at 3,200 by December. Okay, now we're fixing to roll over into October. So literally, guys, between October, November, December, okay, 3 fucking months, call it 90 days, the market can drop off 30%. And more importantly, okay, when the rest of the world and the rest of the market participants finally fucking catch on the top that we have called in the market over the summer, okay, when the VGO was at 925, we called the fucking top. And it dropped and it bounced promptly back to 920, okay, which is a lower high. It's a multi-top formation. There's a ton of divergences. Pull up a VGO chart right now, damn it, if you're trying to make sense out of this message. What I'm saying is some of the best stocks in the market have set the top while the market is still saying, well, no, but we're going to buy the dip. I have pointed out in the charts multiple times in the last couple of months that, okay, the trend has reversed. The TRO, the trend reversal opportunity, it has transitioned, okay, from a bull movement into a bear movement, and any bounce in some of these highly favored stocks over the last 10 months, okay, that's going to come to a conclusion of a major drop. And so I pointed out also in some videos or podcasts that 1987 will take place, guys. And I've posted that, I don't know, in the last couple of months. And I said, look, in the next 12 months. But the reality is the way that the charts and the volumes are working right now, okay, 1987 can happen way faster. And that would be too coincidental for me to say, well, 1987 is going to happen in October 1997 crash is going to be repeated in October 2023. I mean, that would be just too freaking coincidental. But there's going to be a day, I'd probably fast forward my projections, which I called next 12 months a few months ago. And I would say that, hey, we probably got 90 days till that 1987 day happens. Okay, and that's why here at 13 Market Moves, we're going to do something we've never ever fucking done before. Okay, we're going to fucking fund you guys. We're going to fucking fund you. Okay, so you need to go to 13marketmoves.com. You need to put your stuff in. You need to get in touch with the 13 Market Moves coach right now if you want to get your account funded. Okay, you go to 13mmtv.com right now. Okay, you click on schedule a call. There should be a button somewhere on there right now. You can go there, click it. It says schedule a 20-minute coaching call. You get in touch with the coach. He'll walk you through the exact program of what it's like to get your account funded with 13 Market Moves, and you can make it happen. Now, we're only keeping this offer open for the first 100 guys that are fucking serious, okay, about going from nothing to $1 million plus by the end of 2023. Okay, based off the charts, the opportunity is here, guys. The market will fucking break. Okay, trade it with a 30 market moves coach and make this real for yourself. Okay, while other guys are just sitting around there, they're trying to buy the fucking dip, while the volume characteristics and the behavioral shift has already taken place. Now, for those of you that are probably not paying member alerts with 30 market moves, you probably would have missed the greatest message of all times, which happened over the course of the last 2 weeks. The market has been in an uptrend pattern for 17 Fridays in a row. Now, for some of you, okay, you probably listen to a bunch of crap out there. You don't even trade on Fridays. Now, you know you trade with 30 market moves. Some of your greatest days will be on a Friday. So what is important to notice, which we send you a message in our paying member alerts group, is we said, look, the market has just gone for 17 Fridays higher, meaning like every Friday, the market has gone up higher. And what has also been true is every time, every week, the market has gone in the green on a Friday. What has also been true is it also went in the green on a Monday, okay, even if it began Monday in the red. So these are some of the statistics an average person normally doesn't keep track of. But guess what? We keep track of a lot of patterns, and not just the chart patterns, guys. When I talk about patterns, please understand, we're talking about key behavioral patterns in the market, okay, which nobody talks about anywhere in the fucking CNBC, Bloomberg, okay, anywhere. I mean, behavioral patterns are key to identifying when is that moment where the market is going to shift. When is that moment when options are underpriced because everybody's still buying the dip, but that trend is just about to be completely played out. So far, we have seen the market drop from 4,600, to the 4,300 handle, close to 4,400 right now. What we're at, 43.8 or something like that, 43.70. But the point is, okay, we're about to see a move expansion to the magnitude. Like if you're trading the markets in the last 10 months, you probably don't even know what a 100-point move looks like in S&P 500. You certainly don't know what a 150-point looks like, a move up or down in S&P 500. And certainly, you wouldn't have a slightest fucking idea what a 200-point move looks like in S&P 500, okay, on any given fucking day. The most S&P 500 has moved on any given day in the last 10 months is 60 fucking points, okay? Now, it's been a few occasions where it maybe went like 65, 70 points overall in a day, but that's about it. And those days, okay, we haven't seen days when S&P 500 moves 100 plus points in like forever. And I'm saying this shit is about to happen, okay, which is why, okay, we want to fucking fund you guys right now. Which is why you should be going to 13mmtv.com. You should be clicking schedule a call button. You should be talking to a coach right now if you want to get funded, okay, and trade this to the fucking moon. Okay, so this is a very unique circumstances in the market. And the last time I've said very unique circumstances in the market, we had a move 333 where the market fucking consistently drops, okay, 3 days in a row. Each time it gaps down every fucking morning. And I'm saying we're so close to reaching these conditions based off where the VIX is right now. It's around, 15, 16 range. VIX can break out to 25 within 3 days, and you would wake up and you'd be like, oh my God, why the fuck I've been buying the dip all this time? And, I'm saying that doesn't even fucking matter. You want to buy the dip, buy the fucking goddamn dip. What I'm saying, you will get killed. But what is more important is, what if you do the right thing? What if you short the market with 30 market moves, okay, and you play it right? It doesn't fucking matter how much money you got on your account right now. I don't give a fuck if you got 500,000, 100,000, or 5K. A little money goes so far in this type of market, while all Wall Street analysts, they still think about buying a dip. where we have already pointed out for the last couple of months that the top has been made. There's still fucking goofballs out there in Wall Street that think the market's going to finish at 5,000. That's got, like I told you in multiple videos, got zero chance of fucking happening. Okay, there's a 90% chance of the market going back to 3,800. Okay, there's a 70% chance of the market going back to 3,500 by the end of December. There's like a 2.7% chance of market dropping to 3,200. Okay. And we got zero chance of market going to 5,000. All right. So if you care to learn all of the reasons why, probably fucking subscribe if you're not subscribed and listen to the next few messages I'm fixing to post. Certainly don't miss the video I'm going to post about all the charts, explaining you exactly the divergences, everything we're looking at here, the sequence of the moves that are leading us to believe that this is the time we should go fund the fucking world with 30 market moves. Okay, we had some highly successful traders this year, but guess what? We want more people to hit million plus. That is our goal here at 30 Market Moves. We want to be known for the only fucking YouTube channel and the only strategy that takes an average fucking person and helps them go to million plus. Okay, not in a lifetime, in a matter of 90 fucking days. Okay, so if you missed a lot of other opportunities, okay, if you missed an opportunity to pay off your house this fucking year, okay, guys, this is your chance. And when I say pay off your house, I don't necessarily, hey, your house may be paid off. Maybe you got like a business loan for a couple of million. You want to pay it off. Guys, this is your chance. Okay, this is your chance to set yourself free. Okay, after all, this is why most of the traders pursue trading. Okay, it's not to make a couple of $100 fucking dollars a day. It's about setting yourself free for good. Okay, it's about not being dependent on what the fucking conventional wisdom dictates. It's not about being dependent on what the fuck they talk about in CNBC. It's about being self-made trader. We can show you a roadmap over the next 90 days. You can fucking do it with us. And we're so confident that you will fucking do it with us. We're going to fucking fund you guys. We're going to fund you. Okay, again, the offer is open to the first 100 people that will go to 30 Market Moves and schedule a call, 13mmtv.com, that will schedule a call. All right, so get in touch with 30 Market Moves coach right now. But guys, we got a potential 30% move in the market to the downside, okay? And the crazy part of it, that 20% of that move can happen on one day. So if you wait an extra day to call us, it could mean that you're going to miss on a 20% drop in the fucking market. When the market drops 20% in one day, guess what the fuck is going to happen to the put options? Okay, they're going to be fucking overpriced. The put options are going to fucking cost you an arm and a leg. They're going to be so fucking high. They're going to be so fucking overpriced. Market drops 20% in one day. Okay, which it dropped 27% in October of 1987, which is why we'll keep talking about this example in so many videos over the course of the last couple of months. There is going to be a day, and I think that day is no longer going to be in the next 12 months. Okay, it is going to be in the next 90 days. In the next 90 days, there is going to be a day where the market is going to fall by 20% plus, and it's going to catch a lot of people off guard because most of the fucking Wall Street analysts, they're clueless. They're so complacent right now. The options are so underpriced. Nobody can see this shit coming. But you heard it from 13 Market Moves, okay? You even hear the numbers that I talk about, okay? I'm not saying it's going to be a 1% down day. It's not going to be a 3% down day, okay? I'm talking about there is going to be fucking call breakers. They're going to have to pause the market multiple times throughout the fucking day, okay? It's going to be COVID top situation chaos times 5 times 10, okay? And that type of situation normally happens, okay, when everyone heads for the exit at the same time. And as jittery as the fucking market has been this Friday, okay, I'm telling you that the market is on a fucking edge. The market is on the edge. It could begin happening any fucking moment. So the question Are you going to fucking watch it? Are you going to finally take action? Make up your fucking mind now. Life is too short. Don't miss the greatness. Roll with 13 market moves. Let's do it together.